Welcome to the future of digital influencing. Imagine an AI-powered world where your journey to engage your audience and manage your social media is seamless. Today we present you with a revolutionary tool, ChatGPT. This AI marvel transforms the content creation process and social media management. It's a guide on your path to becoming an exceptional influencer. With this, you're never alone in your quest to captivate audiences. This fascinating technology weaves magic into your digital influencing journey. Buckle up as we dive this bewitching world of AI. Have you ever thought about how such technology can redefine your interaction with your audience and content management? Let's get started. Ever wondered how AI can make you an influencer? Intriguing, isn't it? Today we'll explore this concept using a tool named ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, it's an AI language model that's shaking the world of influencers. The reason? Its capacity to create human-like text. Built on a dataset of billions of words, this innovative tool can generate coherent and relevant content. It can engage audiences, craft content, and even oversee your social media. Amazingly, it can produce creative responses. Get ready as we unlock the magic of AI in influencing. First things first, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text. It learns from a dataset of billions of words and can produce coherent, relevant, and even creative responses. Step 1. Generate content ideas. On occasion, creativity wanes, but don't fret. Enter our savior, ChatGPT. Give it relevant prompts and marvel as it delivers an array of content suggestions. Each idea is more captivating than its predecessor. Hit a couple of prompts pertinent to your field, and see how it creates a plethora of engaging content suggestions. Step 2. Improve your writing. Using ChatGPT is like having personal AI-powered writing assistant. It's designed to enhance your writing skills, no matter if you're creating a blog post or a script. Its core function revolves around making your content vibrant, succinct, and grammatically impeccable. Whether it's a minor tweet or a crucial business presentation, ChatGPT can elevate your composition. ChatGPT can assist you in making your writing more engaging, concise, and grammatically correct. Step 3. Engage with your audience. It is as if you have a dedicated virtual assistant by your side, named ChatGPT. It's an AI tool designed to augment your social media interaction capabilities. It allows you to interact promptly, providing responses to comments, initiating conversations with followers, and dealing with any inquiries you may receive. It works tirelessly, ensuring you stay connected, maintain regular interaction, and foster meaningful. ChatGPT can help you manage your social media interactions, ensuring you never miss out on engaging with your audience. Step 4. Learn about your niche. To keep up with the rapidly evolving world, stay informed about your specific domain. ChatGPT, an AI assistant, provides comprehensive, detailed, and concise summaries and overviews on relevant topics. It delves deep into your field, allowing you to enhance your knowledge and keep up to date. This continuous learning through ChatGPT's assistance ensures you are not left behind. It helps you grasp current trends, making your content more engaging, appealing, and most importantly, it keeps your content relevant. This continual learning will not only help you stay on top of trends, but also ensure your content remains relevant and engaging. Finally, step 5. Automate routine tasks. In the digital age, we often find ourselves tangled in tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. Utilizing ChatGPT as your virtual assistant can be a game changer. It's capable of efficiently scheduling your social media posts, managing your inbox, making appointments, and much more. This AI-powered tool is designed to streamline your workflow, remove the burden of mundane tasks, and optimize productivity. With more time at your disposal, you're free to focus on creating captivating content and effectively building your brand. Remember, while ChatGPT is a potent tool, it's not a substitute for human interaction or originality. This advanced technology uses artificial intelligence to augment your workflow, making things more efficient and productive. It sifts through a myriad of information to provide meaningful insights. The tool is designed to assist, not to replace. It helps in managing, organizing, and enhancing your digital interactions in the virtual world, facilitating a more robust online presence. It's a digital assistant that can help you streamline your process and enhance your online presence. So, to summarize, ChatGPT can help you as an influencer by generating content ideas, improving your writing, and automating tasks. As an influencer, your skills can be complemented with this tool, helping you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. With the right strategy and the power of AI, you can engage and learn about your niche in meaningful ways. It's not just a tool, but a partner in your journey, capable of propelling you to stand out among the crowd. These advancements can aid in growing your online presence. So take the leap into the future of influencing with ChatGPT and watch as your online presence grows. As we step into the future, AI tools like ChatGPT will become an essential asset in the digital influencing landscape. It is poised to play a crucial role, reshaping the digital influencing frontier. ChatGPT is not only adept at creative content ideas, but also enhances your writing skills. It learns about your specific niche and can automate repetitive tasks, making it an indispensable guide to the future of digital influencing. Advantages it offers are substantial, opening up a world of limitless possibilities. The push towards AI with tools like ChatGPT is redefining the digital influencing journey. The future is here, and it's more exciting than ever.